this is Sevi and Sevi. Welcome back to Yoga Posture Fundamentals. In this 4-part of 6-part series of SIRSASANA, we're going to focus on static splits. We're going to come into downward facing dog first. Down dog. Begin to walk your toes toward your palms. Slowly. Make sure to lift your shoulders right above the heels of your palms. Good adjustment. Now, you can rock your back. Breathe through your nose. On your inhale, send your right leg high to the sky. Make sure to keep your hips square to the ground. Square. Right leg is extended. Very often you see students flexing their knees. So very important to keep your legs straight so that you build strength in your legs. If you want now. Now your right foot is extended as well. Pull your toes up. Try to bounce your leg up and down. Right through your nose. And exhale, release your toes down. Switch your leg. And be ready. Inhale, left leg high. Right. Make sure you don't feel pressure in your wrists. Put all your weight onto your fingertips and your knuckles. Alright, keep lifting your left leg high. Extend your left knee. Good. And bounce your leg up and down. Breath. Exhale, release your knees down. Take a break. Great job. That was part 4, static splits. Of 6-part SIRSASANA series. Be sure to check out our next video, Dog Part 5. Namaste.